Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Oh my god, that's bright. Welcome back to the channel. Today is not about the new Mustang, well, new-ish, my 2012. I have two. And today it's actually going to be a video about the other one, my 03, which this is a long overdue video. I haven't filmed anything on it in forever. But today we're going to change it. It's something very small and simple, but I missed this one, so I'm going to film it today. Bear with me. I got a package in the mail, and this is for Old Stang, so let's see what's in here. I've needed these for so long. I also got a hat. So I've been needing these license plate housings for a long time. I'll show you what they look like. But I also ordered a hat. And since I'm doing stuff from LMR, we're going to do this right. I'm going to put my hat on, and I'm going to show you how to do these real quick. So as you can see, just like the majority of 9904 Mustangs, these housings are cracked from aging. I've been needing them for a little over a year now, probably. So I'm glad I'm finally getting around to doing this and starting to work on this car. But you just kind of need, well, I mean, with these ones you can literally just pop them out, but I would just get a screwdriver and turn them out if you can. And sometimes this will work with these. Yeah, it doesn't want to work, so what we're going to do, since I don't need these anymore anyways, I got new hardware too, so that's good. And boom, there we go. So when you go put these on, you have this little tiny screw. It's plastic, so it's kind of annoying to just turn it. What I found to be useful is you just, well, you can start turning it. But after a while, it's almost easier to push them in. Like so. And those are way better than what I used to have. Which, these ones here have 248,000 miles on them. So these are crap. These are nice. Let's hope they don't leak or anything. These ones actually have a foam gasket on them. The original ones, well, they did at one point, but now they don't. So yeah. Another common thing that sometimes needs replaced, which probably needs replaced on this one too, is these connectors here. They get all nasty real bad. It's gross. I had LEDs for these, but I think they're too... the bulb itself is too long, even though it's the same size. It needs to be shorter. I should have just ordered it when I got them from LMR, but I had those sitting around for years, never got to use them, and now I figured out why. I couldn't remember. And there you have it. Old Stang has nice license plate lamps again. Now I just gotta get LEDs that fit properly and it'll be done. Because right now the car actually has the projectors and the LED fog lights. It actually has LED reverse lights too, but I'm not going to go through that right now to do it. But now I just got to get the LEDs in the back too. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video. It was kind of short and quick, but I needed to do something with the old one because it's been a very long time. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. We're close to 1,000 subscribers finally, and I'm ready to hit it. Guys, take it easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. like talk the whole time to the camera.
Here it comes. Do you hear it? Wow!